Scott here with Republic. So wanted to kind of touch on this. We've had some commentary. People are asking what tube sheet mock-ups are. So basically what a tube sheet mock-up is exactly what it sounds like. You've got a membrane or a sheet with holes drilled in it to mock up what a heat exchanger would be, or a heat exchanger face where the tubes interface with the base metal. So basically, by code, we have to weld these up for new construction as a requirement of these materials, where we actually have to mock up exactly the joint detail, the projection of the tubes through the sheet, and the member of how we do it. So this would be a tube sheet mock-up with a protruded tube, and then this right here would be a recessed tube. Now the mechanical engineer that designs this equipment, they decide what the design is and the criteria for that based on the process, the temperatures, and the materials going through them. So then we have to mock up these things to make sure that we're where we need to be. As you can see the differences in the two. And then once a welder painstakingly welds these up, we have to section them, polish them, and then we have to look at three measurements on here. The leak path, which is the distance from the bottom of the weld to the crown of the cap, and then the leg lengths on the fillet, which get real tricky on these, but are a lot easier to do on these.